Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday and I'm about to start my Sunday dinner. So tonight I'm going to be making pot roast with carrots, potatoes, onions, and celery, and some cornbread on the side. So that's Sunday's dinner tonight. Y'all hear the little one in the background? She wanted to say hi as usual.
Hi, say hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
Okay. All right, y'all. She always want to say hi. So I'm finna start by cutting up my vegetables here. So I'm gonna start with my onion. How everybody doing on this fine Sunday? I had a pretty good Sunday today to start off and everything. So I'm just taking this here and taking out this stuff.
Daddy, mommy.
I hope everybody is having a blessed Sunday. I'm just gonna cut it down some here. I just cut it in big chunks and everything. I'm gonna cut that in big chunks. Yes. What? Who? Yeah. Okay. All right. So let me get a bowl, y'all. Put my vegetables in. Go ahead and get a bowl here. So I'm put my vegetables in while I'm cutting them up. I ain't made pot roast and potatoes and stuff in a while, so this gonna be good right here. It's been a minute since I did that. Y'all, I wish I had more counter space. That's my issue. Not a lot of counter space, so I had to work with what I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop celery off and clean it. Go ahead and clean this celery. That water cold, y'all. What? Just washing off my celery. right, y'all. I got all my celery cleaned here. I'm gonna use these little leaves and stuff because I get flavor. So I'm gonna use that. Chop this up. Put it in the bowl. A little rough chop up here. Little brown pieces, throw that away. Doing a rough chop. That little piece out of there. I say I had a good day today, y'all. It was pretty nice today out here in Arizona. It's like 60 degrees today. But I still wore me a sweater and all that. It was like real cold this morning. It's like 35 degrees this morning. So, pretty cool. So, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my carrots off. Get that a little wash. Use these little baby carrots. That's I'm gonna use. Okay, y'all, got my carrots all washed off and everything. So I got my carrots and celery, my onions in there. So I washed off my meat, did my chuck roasted everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and season that up right quick. I'm gonna use some onion soup mix, some ranch seasoning, some parsley, some garlic. I mean to get the onion powder. I don't need that garlic. Some paprika and some pepper. So let me get my onion powder over here. Let's see. Get my onion powder. powder. I'm gonna go ahead and season my meat on up, y'all.
Mommy!
Yes.
I did it in my bed!
Okay.
In my bed! Daddy, we kicked in my bed!
All right.
Mommy kicked in my bed! I'm in here!
I'll see you later when I'm done with this, okay?
Okay, you guys. You guys.
She's talking about her room because my husband in there, you know, changing the room around. And she talking about her bed getting changed around and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this glove on, y'all,
Mommy, my shirt!
and season up.
See my shirt?
Let's see, season up my meat here.
Mommy, see my shirt? Mommy, see my shirt?
See if I can challenge so y'all can see. I'm out here put my parsley flakes on there. See, I'm gonna do both sides. My husband was like, "You making pot roast tonight?" I'm like, "Yep." He's like, "Yes." Yeah, like I said, I ain't made none in a long time. Black pepper. I'm gonna rub all this in. After I'm done with it. So, paprika. Go ahead and, like I say, I don't measure nothing, y'all. I just eyeball it. Onion powder. I'm doing both sides. Yes, you don't have to yell, Diana. He'll show me when he's done, okay? I can see it's garlic, y'all. I'm trying to look and see what the expiration date is on this garlic. I had got it at Sam's a while back. So it's good till September this year, so okay. I don't know. It's looking some type of way. That's why I'm like, what? I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rub this in. A nice rub in here. And all over that meat. I'm gonna flip it over and do the other side. Yeah, so I'm gonna flip it. I flipped it over, so I'm gonna do the other side. Pepper. Oh. Parsley flakes. I'm like, didn't I just... Maybe it's from the other side I did. Paprika. Onion powder. And some garlic. Give me another glove here. Another glove on. And I'm gonna rub it in, y'all. So now what I'm gonna do, sorry y'all, my little stand is acting up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some of that ranch seasoning. I'm gonna put that ranch seasoning on there. I'm gonna sprinkle it on both sides. I'm gonna rub that in. And I'll rub the other side in. Now I'm gonna flip it over, do the other side. Rub it in. Get it all throughout that meat. Y'all see I didn't add no salt to this because that ranch seasoning and this soup mix got enough salt in it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get some things on the wall.
Okay.
Some things to hold the food on.
Oh,
I don't think you got any.
yeah. Flip that on over. We got enough on this side here. For it to get on that side too. For it to get on the other side as well. Okay, yeah. So I'll take my gloves off, wash my hands. No, you don't need to wash your hands for anything. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and put my vegetables and stuff over in there. And then I'll cut up my potatoes. ahead and set up my potatoes so I can put it in there. And we should be good to go, y'all. We should be good to go. I'm gonna use these yellow Idaho potatoes. Try something different this time, because I always get the regular Idaho potatoes. Wash these off. So yeah, y'all. Close up this garlic. Here, move this out the way. Cut up my potatoes, these little potatoes here. I'm gonna cut them in this side so they can cook evenly. Cut them in fours. Cut that little part off. Throw that little one away because it had a lot of bruising on it. This little stuff right here, y'all. Come on, from out of there, Diana. What? Oh, something on that one, y'all. These little black things.
I know your tail.
I have to get off. Yeah.
I know your tail, Daddy.
Cut that off. Okay. That should be enough. Yeah, that should be enough. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead, put my potatoes up in there. Y'all, this is gonna be good. And I'm gonna have them with those Pillsbury cornbread muffins that I did a haul on when I got from Walmart. I'm gonna try those. So that should be good. I'm gonna add some water to this at the bottom. Not too much water because that meat gonna make its own juice. Yes, Diana. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some water down in there. That should be enough water. Now, you don't need to wash your hands. So yeah, y'all. Let me get some foil. Go ahead and cover it with some foil, y'all. You know that, throw that on the side. That's all right. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven, y'all. Cook it for 2.5 hours, maybe 3. So I will be back with y'all when everything is done. All right. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So look at this. It looks so good. It's been about 2.5 hours. I broke up some of the meat, but I'm gonna leave it in. I'm gonna give it another maybe 30 minutes. Maybe another 30 to 45 minutes, just so it can be really, really tender where it's falling apart. It's falling apart, but it ain't to where I like it. These potatoes look bomb, yo. Look at that. Celery and stuff. Yes. Yes, ma'am. That's some good eating right here. That's some good eating right here, y'all. I'm gonna make my cornbread little rolls when I come back and everything. So I'm gonna put this back in the oven for another 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. And then I'll check back with y'all when it's done. Hey Google, set the timer for another 45 minutes.
Second timer for 45 minutes. Starting now.